Did you see it? Did you see it? Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Listen, did you see it? Did you see what I'm about to show you right now? Look at my laptop. Did you see it? A young kid from Croatia right now is earning $4,000 online as a newbie per month. Let me show you proof here. Give me a second here. Look, you see this right here? And this is for all the nation. This is for everybody that doesn't believe that new people like you are not making money online. Look, $4,000 per month in the COVID virus. This guy right here, you can see the article is public. He's 35 years old, and he's earning $4,000 per month online right now. And what I'm gonna show you in this video here is how you can do it. I'm gonna show you what this guy's doing, okay? He's a freelancer. I'm gonna show you how you can do this right now in your living room or bedroom and start making this kind of money, okay? Listen, go here, go to Upwork.com, okay? Upwork has been out there for a very long time. A lot of you, when you go look for jobs, you're searching monster.com, you're putting in resumes, that is old and that is BS. If you want to be independently wealthy, if you want to travel the world, okay? If you want to be able to have Versace robes and do whatever you want, you need to have an online company. Now, I get it. You may say, I'm not smart, Wes. I don't know anything. So in this video, if you listen close, I'm going to show you exactly what this character right here, you see this guy right here, this cool guy, how he's doing it and how millions of people are doing it right now using a site just like this. And guess what? It's free. Now, all I ask you to do is this, okay? Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Smash the like button, baby. Let's go! Hey, smash the like button if I give you massive value. Because I will. I promise you. I will give you massive value in this video. Step number one, go to Upwork.com. Easy, right? And let me show you proof that I'm making money. You see this? These are transactions that are coming in per day, per month, over and over and over and over again. It's Upwork. You see? Look, Upwork.com. You see it? Upwork. And I'm getting paid over and over and over again because it's simple, okay? All you need to do is pay attention, okay? Watch the video a few times and you'll get it, okay? First step is to get an Upwork account. Go to sign up here. And like I said, it's around the world and it's free, okay? And I want you to be patient, okay? Before you have any perceived thoughts of what's about to happen here, what's about to happen is you're about to make money on Upwork right now, okay? That kid is making $4,000 a month. You can make more. If you're not making $4,000 a month at your job, you need to take a good look at what I'm about to show you and watch this right now to the very end, okay? So you want to get a free account. You can sign up with Google or Apple or with your email. It's up to you because it's free. Now, what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to log in here, okay? I'm going to log in because obviously I have an account. So once you log in, okay, you put in your password here. Are you with me? Smash the like button if you're with me, okay? Okay, cool. Look, what you want to do is click on where it says Browse Project Catalog. This is very important here. Once you click that button right here, that's going to take you to a page like this. Now, let me ask you a question and comment below. What are you good at? Logo design, social media, WordPress? Can you write an article? Can you write a blog? Can you do video editing, illustration, SEO? Can you translate, right? Listen, this is the new way to make money on the universe. You don't have to send resumes to 1,000 places and hoping somebody hire you. Walmart, McDonald's, Burger King, waitress, that is obsolete. That is a thing of the past. This is how the new internet entrepreneurs are making money, okay? You go here, you're sitting down, you're in your living room. I'm in my living room with my gold flowers right here. Smash the like if you like them, right? And all I'm doing is I'm finding something that already exists so I can make money. Now check this out. What I'm gonna do for you, because I like you, and I know you like me deep inside, I'm going to show you what the other guy's doing, right? So I'm gonna give you a cheat sheet. All you need to do is follow and listen to everything that you're going to hear in the video here, okay? Now look, say if I click on something like social media agency here, right? So these are people that are earning money, helping people. Look, this person is getting people followers here. This person is helping to grow an Instagram account. If you already know how to, look, this guy has already made $12,000 helping people grow Instagram accounts. $12,000. Can you do that? Right? So it's many jobs and opportunities on this site for you to make money. Now, what I wanted to do, because when you watch these type of videos, they always tell you what other people are doing, but they never really show you what you exactly need to do. Well, watch this. I want you to do this. Click on logo design, okay? When you click on logo design, obviously you see people here that are creating logos right now for 20 bucks. And this guy has earned over $4,000 to $5,000. This guy has earned over $30,000 to $45,000. Yeah, how do I know? Because he got over 1,500 reviews. $30, right? So everybody that did a review for him obviously paid for the service. So this guy right here from all over the world has already made $30,000. Some of these guys do it per month. See this person right here has already earned about $12,000. No, actually $20,000. So as you can see here, people are doing this around the world. Now listen, I'm going to show you a trick here, okay? Because I want you to make money right now. Smash the like button if you believe that right now this is the video that you've been praying for to make money online. It doesn't cost you a dime, but all you need to do is listen. You got to really pay attention or you're going to miss it. Many people, when they watch my videos, they watch it one time, do it one time, and they fail. Listen, pay attention, turn off the TV, and focus on what I am saying to you. And then guess what? You'll be able to control your destiny, honestly. Okay, so what you want to do is this. You want to scroll up here. You want to click on where it says apply to job posting, because what we're going to do is we want to do work for people. And I get it. Some of you may be thinking, well, Wesley, I'm not an expert. You don't need to be an expert, okay? Type in logo design or just logo, okay? As you can see here, you have people that are willing to pay you. This person is $95 to make a logo. This person right here wants to pay you $30 an hour to be an illustrator for his company. Excuse me. And this person right here, logo design, wants to pay you $100 here, right now. This person right here wants to pay you for 2 hours, $2,000. This person right here wants to pay you $100 right now to make a custom basketball jersey. Listen, so what I'm saying is that people right now on this site on Upwork, they're willing to pay you money right now. You can make money right now with these people, and you don't have to go struggle and wait for somebody to call you back for a job. Okay, that's the old stupid way of making money. Does that make sense? And I don't want you to be stupid. I want you to be smart. Now listen, what you want to do is this. Okay, you may say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to create a logo. I don't know how to do logo stuff. I want that money. Like, I want that $95 and $100. Let me show you how the experts do it. Just promise me you won't share this content. All I ask you to do is smash the like button, because I'm giving you value that no other internet marketer on the planet will ever give you here. Look, go to the site here. Go to freelogodesign.org, okay? Please screenshot that. Free logo design. Now, how do you do this? So the thing is, what a lot of people don't know that I do and other great internet marketers know as well. Well, we can go to these sites and do logos for people, and they have no clue. So look, imagine this. Imagine going here, finding someone that want a logo. They're going to pay you $500, whatever, right? Or $200 right here to make a logo. You go here, you find out what the criteria is. Let's say if I wanted you to create a logo for me, I'm going to pay you $500 on my brand, right? So say if you put I love Wesley Virgin, okay? Not saying that you love Wesley Virgin, but maybe you do. And here, you can look at the category. You find out what niche they're in, right? What niche are they in here? See if I'm in the fashion and beauty niche here. I click get started here. The program, listen, the bot itself does all the work for me. I have thousands of logos right here that I can choose from. Does that make sense? Thousands of logos that I can choose from. And all these different categories. Does that make sense? Which means is, listen, if you do have a skill, right? Like, let me show you something here. If you do have a skill in these areas, I would recommend to do that skill. But if you have no skill at all and you just need to make some money right now, well, just spend some time here today in the logo design category. You have thousands of people that are looking for people like you to design logos. And you use this. You find out what their brand is, you type it in, you find out what the niche is, and they're gonna give you thousands. And you find the top 3, top 5, or top 10, and you send it to them. Does that make sense? And you do this within minutes. So it doesn't take hours, because people want things now. How many of you smash the like button if you want money right now? Right? You don't want money later, you want it now. Well, this is what these characters are doing. This is what's happening. This is what this kid right here is doing, right? You just don't know about it. You guys are working so hard, and I get it. You got to put some work in, but listen, you got to work smarter, not harder. Comment below. I must work smarter, not harder, okay? Harder. I just made up that word. Look, I want you to have a view. I used to sleep on an air mattress, and now I got this view, okay? Why? Because I work smarter, okay? Smash the like button if you're gonna do this right now. Listen, all you have to do is you take these logos, then you go back to Upwork, right? And you submit them. And then, I know what your question is. Okay, Wesley, can I make money as a freelancer? Of course. Listen, this is the fastest way. This is a hack. And I can't believe I'm gonna share this. And listen, this video is sponsored by Wesley Virgin. Listen, I teach anybody on the planet how to create a digital marketing product in 30 to 45 days flat to make $10,000. If that's what you want, if that's what you desire, there's a link in the bio in the description below. Click it and we can get to work today. But look, check this out. Look. So what you want to do is, say if you want to create a logo design profile, okay? You might say, well, Wesley, how do I get more people like this guy right here, Ali, for people to buy my stuff? Easy. Look, just don't share this. All I want you to do is like it. Just show me some love. Look, you take a guy like this or a guy like this, they get a lot of reviews. The key is to find a profile that gets all the reviews. This person has 3,000 views, all right? So he's already made over like $50,000 plus dollars. Not sure, 15,000, 150,000, I'm not sure. Look, click on here. Look. And all you want to do is model what he's doing here. That's just how easy it is. He's top rated. So obviously it's something about this guy's profile that people like, that Upwork like, because they are going to promote this stuff for you. Does that make sense? Comment the word model and say, Wesley Virgin, I love you to life. Listen, I'm not charging you for this. You don't have to pay any money for this stuff. All you have to do now is put in the freaking work. You model everything that you see on this profile. You can even put on a fancy hat like this guy too. Model everything, the words, the pictures, just model, okay? Model this guy's profile. Why? That's gonna make you more attractable in the Upwork profile. And listen, you can do this with anything. Are you guys with me here? Look, you can do this with any project on Upwork. When you browse the project catalog here to make money, look, logo design, social media, just scroll through here, have fun, find something that you're good at and start working online so you will be able to control and create your destiny. Hey, listen, hey, did I give you massive value? Can you do me a favor? Smash the like button and let me know in the comment section below where you're calling from so I can make sure that every video that I create to make money online is for you. Listen, you can do this. Believe in yourself. Turn off the social media, turn off the TV, and get to work. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go!